It started out with graphene and then it went to functions. I'm doing FOIL to solve x. Next is the expressions. Now I have to see if x is equal to or greater than 3. Now you make that point on the x-axis. Wait, was it a positive 3 or a negative 3?
Step 3, input your photos into Desmos. When you do this, follow what I'm doing here, click on this link. It's a particular template in Desmos called Parabola and Vertex form. So if you click on it, this is what should come up on your screen. Tell your partner which form that is. We learned that earlier this week, or maybe it's been the past 3 weeks. Yeah, it's vertex form. So you're going to drag it to the left side. So here's my coin. And it says drag image there. Drop it in. And now your image is in Desmos. If you are unable to do that, you can press plus and images. Some student asked me yesterday, I don't know how to get my photo off my camera or off my phone. Upload it to your drive or email it to yourself, then put it in your drive, and then from your digital backpack, you can actually just click on image. Oh, bad news. It has to come from your desktop. Okay, we dragged it or we uploaded your photo. Now you might need to change the angle of your photo like this. Okay, so to do that, we're going to go in the top right where it says graph settings, and we're going to switch it to degrees. So here's my photo. You're going to go up here where it says graph settings, a little wrench, and you're going to click on 2 things. You're going to click on the bigger A. It just makes things nice and bold and thicker. And then down here, angles are measured in degrees and radians. So you're going to notice once I click it, the word rad is going to turn into deg, or the degree sign. What's the point of that? So if you need to switch the angle of your picture, you can do that. Okay, you might want to move it by 10 degrees. If you get scared that your picture is gone, just type in 0 and it'll appear. Okay? We're eventually going to get the parabola, this red parabola, on the graph. But in order to do that, you need the skills of changing the angle. You also need the skill of resizing your photo. So, resizing your photo, don't drag the midpoints. This distorts your photo. So, here's the endpoints. This would be in the middle or midpoint. If I do that, it kind of makes it unproportional. But if you're doing something circular, like Mr. Gold back there, is my Mr. Gold coin, then you kind of want it to be super stretched out. Okay? So, if you're moving or resizing your photo, you can do 2 things. I just dragged the corner, or you can change the numbers of width and height. So as I drag it, I want you guys to notice that these numbers change. And then you can actually just manually change these numbers. Okay? Practice moving your photo around. You can do it 2 ways. Click and hold the middle blue dot and move it. Right here. Click and hold. And you'll notice that the numbers for center are changing, so you can also change those numbers. I suggest keeping your photo in quadrants 1 or 2 or above the x-axis where the y values are positive.
Mr. Ing's class, we will greatly succeed. Intelligence we will breed and never ever cheat. And don't forget to show your work. 'Cause when you get that 4.0, you'll have a huge smirk.